Alright, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and we're going to run the second Talion today. Trying something a little different with how I'm doing the ramps, because my son's out there playing. So we're going to see how it goes. See how much these are going to shift around, probably quite a bit. I put the RPM wing mount on there and a Creighton wheelie bar. What's up, bud? Don't walk in front of the ramps, alright? That's what the ramps are for. Oh yeah. Whoops, hit it wrong. What's that, bud? Heck yeah. Looks like these are gonna shift around quite a bit here. That doesn't sound good. Alright, for the record, the dog bone popped out again on that jump. The Talion sits a little bit lower, so these have a tendency to pull out. I thought I had it fixed because this pillow ball isn't quite in as far, or it needs to be in further, I should say. And I thought I had it fixed, but I guess not. Now this is pretty chewed up because this has happened a few times, so I think I'm just going to replace it. And then I was going to use this one too, but the Fly Sky radio is dead, and I think that's it for the Fly Sky. I'm going to get rid of it. So yeah, these two I was going to have a good time today. Didn't happen. Ah well, it's part of bashing. Talk to you guys next time. Oh! Can't keep wheelie bars in these things. Cannot keep a wheelie bar on these things. It broke the other side. Jeez, man. That ended badly.